Hey, if you wonder if you can actually use your wired mouse and the keyboard at the same time with the Realme C67, yes, you can do this. But first you will have to buy something like this. That's the USB hub, and right here you can input the USB-A inputs. Also, if you have, for example, the mouse or keyboard with the USB-C end, in my case that's how it looks, that's the USB-A and the USB-A, you will have to get the hub with the USB-C ports. Next, you will have to plug this hub into your phone, into the USB-C port. There we go. And now into this hub, you will have to connect your keyboard and the mouse. So let me show you how it looks. That's quite simple. We just have to plug cables from the keyboard and from the mouse, one by one. And now let's see if it works. So first mouse, as you can see, everything is fine with the mouse. And now let's open something to use the keyboard. For example, I can go into this browser, and here is my keyboard. I'm gonna keep tapping on one. And as you can see, currently the keyboard is not working, but when I turn on the number keypad, it is working. So for sure there's like no any problem with using wired keyboard and your mouse with your Realme C67. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.